So this is the gel bronzer. It's different from usual powder bronzers because it's a cream formulation. It's far lighter on the skin and it gives a more flawless natural finish as opposed to looking really cakey. So I like to use our buffing brush, go in circular motions, and then you lightly dust it onto your face. Even though it's a cream, I say dust, you just go and buff in circular motions like this. Now, to look more chiseled, I like to concentrate on my cheekbones and the temples, and then down the jawline. I mean, I have a beard, so it's a little harder for me, but it still does the trick. And then down the neck like so. And then another great tip is to apply it along your forehead hairline if you have a larger forehead like me. I've done this for years because it just makes your forehead appear smaller. And it's a great trick. But as you can see, it's a very lightweight product, but you look very sun-kissed and not overdone. I think it's great.